What's good with y'all YouTube? It's METXRO, and today, man, I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And now today on this, well, let me slow it down. This little live trading video right here is basically gonna be turned into a series. So I think yesterday on Instagram, I asked y'all if y'all wanted to see me grow a 20K prop firm, like just record it all live and everything, or let me get this right. Or if y'all wanted me to put $100 in an account and grow it. And most of y'all said that y'all wanted me to do this. So I'm gonna do this. You know what I'm saying? We starting with my forex fund. As you can see, I think y'all should be able to see. Yeah, it's a 20K account. So I gotta get the lot sizes on this right, because I know on different pairs it worked different and stuff like that. So yeah, man. But hey, without further ado, you know what I'm saying, we on the Audusd trade. Hopefully look forward to hit TP. Now I'm gonna explain why I got into this trade after this. You know, I'm gonna try to hopefully hit TP and everything if we can. So as y'all see, we going for the 1 to 2. So hopefully, you know, so we can get in there. Stops just above the god damn. Stops just above the candle we got into. So you know that's just how I trade. If you understand, you understand, and you know some people just don't. But for me, I back tested and shit. I just wanted to where it's at. Alright, bro. Man, come on. We all know the struggle of just trying to get that one perfect thing, where it's trying to get the 1 to 2, not the 1 to, you know what I'm saying, the 2.5. And we want just the 1 to 2, not the 1 to 96, not that, bro. So, yeah, man. If you ain't in the Discord, make sure to click the link in the down description below. If you ain't follow me on IG, make sure to click the link. Make sure to click the link in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? Got my IG, the Discord, yeah, my TikTok, everything you need. You know what I'm saying? If you want to follow me on IG, just and like look, if you follow me on IG and you from my YouTube or something, tell me that. I'm saying, let me know, because I know I get a lot of people I think that follow me off of, on IG, but don't really tell me that they from YouTube. So I don't really know who from YouTube and who not from YouTube. So yeah, man, we just chilling, just seeing if we can get a dub today. That's really all it is. Oh shit, it's going back to break even. Let me see, because what I'm seeing is it could be reacting to this right here. No cap. It's that 1 minute. Yeah, I dropped down to the 1 minute and I saw this. So, we don't got news till I think 8:30 today. I'm pretty sure I checked already. But you know, I think we don't got news until 8:30 today. Let's see. 8:45, my bad. Please don't beat my ass. I'm sorry. My bad, bro. Nah, well, we got 8 o'clock news. But it's yellow folder news. It ain't nothing too crazy. But you know, I still don't like to be in trades when news is occurring though. That's just me. I don't trade news and none of that. I try to just stay out of it. So, yeah, I ain't gonna cap. If it do push above this candle, I'm getting out. I'm not gonna lie to you, cause we've already went down on this candle a decent amount. I'm not gonna. I gotta be strict with this shit. No cap. And then yeah, cause the candle before this, it definitely wicked down to this area. Let me see. But I feel like if we can continue down to the downside, and we could break this right here, break this low support, and actually hold it. So let's say for this candle, because yeah, we got 4 more minutes left. If we continue down to the downside, and you know what I'm saying, hey, things look right for me. I low key want to see it close. I'm pointing to it like y'all behind me. I don't know why, but I low key do want to see it like close below that zone. So like I said, if it You know what I'm saying? I just don't. I feel like with this candle we got right now, the one that we on right now, that if it push down a decent amount and then just continue to push up, I think I'm gonna just get out because for one, the last candle we already pushed down a decent amount, and it's the rejection. I don't really mess with the rejection, bro. Not gonna lie to you. So we just gonna see. We just gonna see, man. That's all there really is to it. You know, the trade do look good. You know, it's not gonna be perfect. You know, none of that. So hey, man, all we gotta do is wait. Just wait and see. Just yeah, but I don't think I saw any other setups. I saw a GJ, but it took off dumb quick. Cause I know when I looked at this, it was on this candle right here. So I drew this up, but you know, hmm, mm, mm, mm. This is the part of trading, man. You just waiting for the trade, seeing what's gonna happen. Yeah, like I said, I don't know. It tapped into that support, even though we on the downtrend and everything, but still tapped into that support. Mm-mm. I don't know, man. It definitely pushed down first. Hopefully, we can continue going down, but you know, you know how it be. You know how it be. Even the most perfect setup can go to shit, and that's just how it is, bro. You just gotta. I just try to like. I've been in a lot of trades where I definitely it was going my way, and it almost hit the 1 to 2. To be honest with you, yeah, it was like all the way right here. It was close. I'm not gonna say it was like super super close, but you know it was close though. Damn, man. Hmm. I don't know how to feel about this. I'm trying to see though. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see because that candle. I'm trying to see. Mm. Cause this candle tapped into that, and then that candle finished like that. Yeah, nah, I don't know, man. Hmm. I don't know. Hopefully this candle can break below, continue on to the downside. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, like right now, if it breaks below this, and then somehow just gets the strength out of nowhere to break above the let me zoom in. Yeah, so let's say if it breaks below this, right, and then it breaks above this, I gotta get out, bro. I'm gonna just hop out because I just don't like being in setups for too long. I just don't, and especially like the way these candles are moving. I don't know, man. Like they touched this, went back up some more, but the trade ain't over yet. So we just gonna ultimately. I tried to use a word I ain't said in fucking years, but we just gonna see, and we just waiting. Cause I feel like it could though. I really feel like it could take. feel like it could continue to the downside. That'd be lit. That'd be lit for me personally. It would be nice to see for me. So I'm just trying to be patient with it. We don't got no 8 o'clock news, so hopefully, oh, we do, but it's yellow news though, you know. It ain't like orange or red, but still, I just don't like being in. Oh. This is what trading is, man. Just really waiting, just waiting. I don't know, man. Feels like okay, okay. Okay, it broke the low of the candle. It broke the low of the candle. I mean, it's good to see, but I will really start feeling even better with this trade if we can break below this candle. No cap. If we can break below this previous candle right there, and then just continue down to the downside, and then like I said, I want to see it break through that little support zone. So if all things go right, that'll be nice to see. That'll be amazing to see. And like I said, these are not my actual lot sizes that I actually want to trade. You know, yeah, it's a decent win, but for the account size that we have, like my losses aren't gonna be that big. You know, my losses aren't gonna be that big, and I don't plan to hold trades like 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio. You know, you guys know me. I'm a 1-to-2. I'm a 1-to-2er. So we just broke the previous low of this candle right here, and hopefully we can smack our 1-to-2. Hopefully, cause I'm telling you, if it go to break even again, I'm just going. I'm getting out of there, bro. I don't know. So we just gonna see. I really want to break this support. I really want to, cause I think if we, yeah, I want to break like right here. Yeah, damn. I don't know, man. That support might be holding. Hopefully it don't hold. Hopefully it don't hold. You know, we in all time frames we're in a downtrend. So, like I said, this previous candle on the 15, it did, you know, push up hella. And then we got this bearish candle pushing back down. So hopefully we can keep pushing back down and create new lows. But like I said, if it goes back to break even, I'm gonna just take my not loss, but I'm gonna whatever the market is showing me, I'm gonna just be like, all right, cool, I understand, I see it. You know, I'm not gonna try to force no shit. Hold on. Wait, do 8 o'clock be doing this? I'm trying to think, cause I don't remember. I'm trying to think if 8 o'clock be wilding sometimes. Yeah, nah. I think 8 o'clock do be wilding sometimes, bro. That shit wild. Damn.